Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the English second paper class brought to you by Hotel ACSU High School. At first, I am introducing myself. My name is Muhammad Jamil Hussain, Assistant Teacher, English, Hotel ACSU High School. My dear students, this class will be effective for the students of class 9 vocational section. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about infinitive. My dear students, before going to my main topic, we have to know about infinitives. What is infinitive? What is infinitive? Infinitive is to plus verb. I mean, where to is used before verb and to plus verb is called infinitive. To plus verb is called infinitive. So I can write here like this: 2 plus verb. 2 plus verb. Infinitive equal 2 plus verb. My dear students, you have to know after 2 always the base form of verb is used. After 2 always the base form of verb is used. My dear students, do you know how many kinds of infinitives? Okay, we know that infinitive can be categorized into two points. Number one, simple or noun infinitive. Simple or noun infinitive. Simple or noun infinitive and gerundial or qualifying infinitives. Infinitive can be categorized into two ways by the students. Number one, simple or noun infinitives, and number two, gerundial or qualifying infinitives. Simple infinitives, simple or noun infinitives. Simple or noun infinitive. What is simple or noun infinitives? The infinitives that works as noun. That works as noun is called simple infinitives. Simple infinitives. The infinitive that works as noun is called simple infinitives. Simple or noun infinitives. Simple or noun infinitives. My dear students, now I am discussing simple or noun infinitives how can be used. Simple or noun can be used. The way of using simple or noun infinitives. Noun infinitives can be used as subject of verb. Simple or noun infinitive can be used as subject of verb. Subject of verb. For example, to work in the morning. To work in the morning is good. Is good for health. To work in the morning is good for health. Here, main verb is used and to plus verb. So, infinitive is acted here as noun. I mean, subject of verb is. Here, to work is the used here as subject. And we know that to plus verb is called infinitive. So we can see that to work is used here subject of verb is. Now I am writing another example. Suppose to dance on the stage is not easy. Here to dance is infinitive and it is used as subject of verb is. To read a book is very good habit. Good habit. Here is subject and to plus verb infinitive. To plus verb, this infinitive is used as subject of verb is. So it is crystal clear that noun simple infinitive or noun infinitive can be used as subject of verb. And simple or noun infinitive can be used as object of verb. Object of verb. Object of verb. Simple or noun infinitive can also be used as object of verb. Can be used as object of verb. Suppose I want to go there. I have to go there. Here, to go, this infinitive is used as subject of verb want. Here, want is verb. And to go is noun or simple infinitive. Because to go is used here as noun. Because to go is used here as noun. Now I am writing another example. They preferred. They preferred to read a book. They preferred read a book. Here preferred is verb and to read a book is object. So this infinitive is used here as object of verb preferred. Object of verb is preferred. My dear students, simple or noun infinitive can also be used as object of preposition. Object of preposition. Object of preposition. Suppose she is about to die. She is about to die. They are about to they are about to go. Okay, my dear students, I have learned today what is infinitive, how many kinds of infinitive, and the uses of simple or noun infinitives, or uses of simple and or noun infinitives. Okay, my dear students, no more today. In another class, we will discuss about the uses of gerundial or qualifying infinitives. No more now, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.